Hey there, explorers! Ever looked at a globe and wondered about those lines going east to west? Those are lines of latitude. They're like imaginary circles that wrap around the Earth. Latitude tells us how far a place is from the equator. The equator is an imaginary line that circles the Earth at 0 degrees latitude. Think of latitudes like rungs on a ladder. The equator is the middle rung. Latitudes are super important for understanding our planet. They help us determine climate, navigate the Earth, and study ecosystems. Places near the equator get more direct sunlight, making them hotter. This intense sunlight results in lush rainforests and vibrant ecosystems teeming with life. As you move away from the equator, temperatures generally get cooler. Higher latitudes experience colder climates, leading to snowy landscapes and unique adaptations in plants and animals. Sailors and pilots use latitude and longitude, lines running north to south, to pinpoint exact locations. This system is crucial for safe and accurate navigation across the globe. Different latitudes have different climates, which support unique ecosystems. For example, polar bears thrive in the Arctic, while desert plants have adapted to survive in dry, hot climates. Latitudes give us a system to understand the Earth's geography and how different places are connected. They help us appreciate the diversity of our planet and the intricate balance of its ecosystems. Ready to draw some latitudes? Let's dive into the fascinating world of geography and learn how to draw these essential lines that help us navigate our planet. It's easy. You'll need a few basic tools to get started. First, you'll need a globe or a map. Make sure it has latitude lines marked clearly so you can follow along. Next, grab a pencil. This will be your main tool for drawing your own lines of latitude. You'll also need a ruler. This is crucial for making straight, accurate lines. Now follow these steps carefully. Start by finding the equator. It's usually the thickest line running around the middle of the globe or map. This line divides the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres. Next, look for other latitude lines. These lines run parallel to the equator and get smaller as they move towards the poles, helping us measure distances north or south of the equator. Choose a specific latitude to draw. For this example, let's go with 30 degrees north. This line is an important reference point in geography. Use your ruler and pencil. Carefully draw a line parallel to the equator, following the curve of the Earth. Make sure your line is straight and accurate. Congratulations, you've successfully drawn a line of latitude. This skill is fundamental in understanding how we navigate and map our world. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a geography pro. Some latitude lines are extra special because they mark important boundaries or have unique characteristics. The equator, 0 degrees latitude, is perhaps the most well-known of these lines. The equator is the hottest part of the Earth and divides the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres. It is characterized by a tropical climate with lush rainforests and diverse ecosystems. Countries along the equator experience nearly equal day and night throughout the year. The Tropic of Cancer, located at 23.5 degrees north latitude, is another significant line. It marks the northernmost point where the sun appears directly overhead at noon during the summer solstice. This line passes through deserts and arid regions, influencing the climate and weather patterns of the areas it crosses. The Tropic of Capricorn, at 23.5 degrees south latitude, is the southern counterpart to the Tropic of Cancer. It is the southernmost point where the sun can be seen directly overhead at noon during the winter solstice. This line influences the climate of regions in the southern hemisphere, often passing through coastal areas and diverse landscapes. The Arctic Circle, located at 66.5 degrees north latitude, is another crucial latitude line. It marks the region where the sun doesn't set during the summer solstice and doesn't rise during the winter solstice. This phenomenon creates the unique experience of the midnight sun and polar night, affecting the lives and activities of people and wildlife in the Arctic region. The Antarctic Circle, at 66.5 degrees south latitude, is the southern equivalent of the Arctic Circle. It also experiences the midnight sun and polar night, creating extreme conditions that are studied by scientists and researchers. The Antarctic Circle is home to unique ecosystems and is crucial for understanding global climate patterns. These famous latitude lines help us understand the Earth's seasons, climate zones, and more. They play a vital role in geography, climate science, and even in navigation, making them essential for our understanding of the world.